In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 61, which covers verse 138 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addresses the color of Allah, true identity of a believer. Up to this point, we've covered the first 137 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 138.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sibghatullah wa man ahsanu minallahi sibghatan wa nahnu lahu abidun.
Translation: say, take on Allah's color, and whose color is better than Allah's? It is Him that we serve. This verse can be translated in two ways. One of these is, we have taken on Allah's color. The other is, take on Allah's color. On the eve of the advent of Christianity, the Jews followed the practice of bathing everyone who embraced their religion. This ritual bath signified that all his previous sins had been washed away, and that he had adopted a different color for his life. This practice was subsequently taken over by the Christians and is termed baptism. Not only converts, but even newborn babies were baptized. The Quranic remarks here refer to this institution. The Quran says, in effect, of what use is this formal baptism? What really is worth doing is to adopt the color of God, and it is not water that gives one this color, but actual service and devotion to God. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 61, covering verses 138 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 139. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.